Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can apply coupon code on your Temu app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is click open your Temu app. So once you tap open your Temu, you will be redirected to its homepage where you need to click on the U option. So once you click on U, you can see the coupons and offers option. So now you need to simply click on it and check your available coupons. So as I have expired coupons, I'm gonna use this code and show you an example. After copying the code, you need to click on the categories option. Tap on the search Temu option. So once you're on the search option, you need to paste the coupon code which you had copied before. So once you copy the code, the discounted options will appear on your screen. So this is how you apply coupon on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.